Welcome to LATAM MedTech Insights. This week, a significant regulatory shift occurred in Brazil that every digital health company needs to watch closely. Brazil's health agency, ANVISA, released an unexpected and stringent new resolution impacting software as a medical device, or SaMD. This isn't just a minor update, it fundamentally redefines the pathway to market for digital health solutions in Latin America's largest market. The new framework, effective immediately, places a heavy emphasis on two critical areas, which are localized clinical data and robust cybersecurity protocols. Let's break down the impact. Previously, many international medtech companies could leverage existing clinical data from FDA or CE mark approvals to support their ANVISA submission. This was a cornerstone of an efficient market entry strategy. Under the new rules, this is no longer a straightforward process. ANVISA now requires that SaMD, especially those utilizing artificial intelligence or machine learning for diagnostics, must be validated with clinical data derived specifically from the Brazilian population. The agency's justification points to demographic and epidemiological variances that can affect algorithmic performance. For a company based in Munich or San Francisco, this means a significant new hurdle. It necessitates either a new, localized clinical trial or a complex data bridging study, adding substantial time and cost to their expansion plans. Consider the case of a US-based startup with a breakthrough AI-powered diagnostic tool for dermatology. They had their Brazilian market entry planned for the third quarter of this year, relying on their comprehensive US clinical data. This new ANVISA mandate effectively freezes their launch. They now face the daunting task of partnering with Brazilian hospitals to gather local data, a process that can take more than a year and involves navigating complex ethical and data privacy regulations, including Brazil's LGPD. This is a classic example of a hidden regulatory barrier that can derail even the most well-funded projects. The second core component of the update is cybersecurity. ANVISA has introduced specific cybersecurity requirements that go beyond general global standards. Manufacturers must now provide a detailed cybersecurity management plan with their submission. This plan must outline threat modeling, vulnerability management, and a clear incident response strategy tailored to the Brazilian healthcare ecosystem's specific threat landscape. It also mandates that any device handling patient data must have its data servers preferably located in Brazil or demonstrate full compliance with local data sovereignty laws. This change forces companies to re-architect their data infrastructure and documentation, a non-trivial task that requires deep local expertise. These changes signal a new era of regulatory scrutiny in Brazil. While aimed at enhancing patient safety and data security, they create significant challenges for international medtech innovators. Navigating these new, complex requirements requires more than just a checklist. It demands a proactive, localized strategy. For companies looking to successfully enter or stay in the Brazilian market, understanding these nuances is now more critical than ever. If you're facing these challenges, Chen-Global is here to help you navigate this complex landscape. You can contact us for guidance and strategic support by emailing info@pureglobal.com or visiting our website at pureglobal.com.